so fast. E is for ear, to hear a blast. E, let's learn and play. E is the star of the song today. E, shout it, hip, hooray. It's the exciting letter E-A. E is for eagle, flying high. E is for envelope, where our letters lie. E is for earth, so big and round. E is for elbow that can bend around.